Hey my friends, welcome to my channel Swatches and you. This is Nanda here. It's been very long. I have been seeing you guys. So today I am with one more video and this video is very simple. And today I'm going to talk about sunscreen. Yes, yeah. Sunscreen we use to protect our skin when we go outside. We use so many accessories to protect our body from sun. Like we use sunglasses to protect our eye from sun. Okay, now today I'm going to show you how to use sunscreen with your makeup. This is a question many women ask because if I'm going to wear a makeup, the sunscreen will be very heavy on me. So I'll just avoid the sunscreen and just apply my makeup. Or I'll not use my makeup, but I'll just carry my sunscreen so that I can look all the way oily to my office. So today I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to use your sunscreen with your foundation, with your concealer and also your compact. Yes, sunscreen is safe for your skin. It protects from your skin cancer, it protects premature aging, it takes away all the dark spots which is caused by the sun, etc, etc. Now the sunscreen which I use regularly is L'Oreal UV Protect. Now this has a SPF 50 plus with PA+++. Now this is very important for any sunscreen that you need to check what is the SPF of this, and it also the PA, how many plus it has. So this is my makeup look with my sunscreen. So let's get started. I'll show you how it's been done.
Firstly, I'm going to damp my face with my green tea toner which I prepared in the last video. I'm going to just dab the cotton completely and then just remove all the impurities on my skin to give you a nice quirky look. And then I'm going to use my sunscreen as a base. Now this actually acts as a very good base for the makeup. So I'm going to take the sunscreen and just warm it up and then apply it on my skin and dab it really nice. I'm going to apply this on my neck also. Then dab it really quick. Now dabbing actually gives you a very nice absorption to your skin. Blend it really well, and then I'm going to use my foundation upon this. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Paris True Match foundation. Blend it really well with your skin, and I'm going to also use my brush for blending this. And then I'm going to cover my blemishes with the concealer from L'Oreal. Blend it well with your fingers, really nice. And then I'm going to use my second layer of sunscreen again. Now this actually going to hold my concealer and foundation on the place. So I'm going to do the same thing, pat it on your skin again, really nice, from your forehead to your chin. And now I'm going to do my setting up with the powder. Now I'm going to use my Lakme compact with SPF 40 in it. Now this actually gives you a very nice setting look. After which I'm going to complete my eye makeup. I'm going to use only an eyeshadow here from Maybelline. I'm going to blend it nicely. Now this is the color called Rose Wild. So just blend it nicely, and then I'm going to just give a small touch up. And then I'm going to use Maybelline red lipstick for my lip makeup. Just drew some eyebrows, and I'm going to use my Lakme Absolute Shine eyeliner. I'm going to draw a very thin line, and then I'm going to use my kajal from Maybelline for the lower lashes, and I'm going to lift my eyelashes with Maybelline mascara. Voila.
Hope you like this makeup video. Today I'm going to give you few tips on how to choose your sunscreen. Yes, always choose a sunscreen which has SPF 30 or higher than this. And bear in mind guys, you're going to use the sunscreen liberally over your face. Don't forget your hairs and the neck. It's equally important. Now, as I say, you're going to use the amount of sunscreen should be a teaspoon size. That's for measurement. Now, and also always use your sunscreen again if you're traveling very much in sun. And the last but not least, consider a powder sunscreen that is more effective to apply rather than a cream. For example, you can use your Lakme SPF 40 sunscreen and other powdered sunscreen compacts now available in the market easily. So friends, I hope you liked this video. This is the end of the video, and do let me know how the video you liked it. Do comment in the comment section, and please do subscribe my channel. Lots of love. Keep in health.